Yan, magluto tayo ng chicken sotanghon with ampalaya and enoki, guys. Yan ang ating tanghalian ngayong araw ng Linggo,
Chicken sotanghon with
Easter
ampalaya.
Sunday.
Nilagyan ko
Hello,
ng
hello,
enoki.
hello. Nood kayo, guys. Yan.
Enoki mushroom.
Mamaya titikman na natin to. Masarap to. At ito yung tinatawag na chicken sotanghon with a twist. Thank you.
Enoki mushroom with enoki. Ayan. Chicken. With ampalaya. And sotanghon. May sotanghon yan. Konti lang nilagay ko.